Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, discuss about how to start your SEO career on freelancing site in 2022. How to become an SEO freelancer in 2022. How to become an SEO freelancer. What are the tasks of an SEO freelancer? An SEO freelancer creates and optimizes content on the web. In particular, they employ various strategies when reacting that content so it is more likely to show up as a top search result. Keyword research. What is keyword research? Computer analysis, media outreach and link building. How do you become an SEO freelancer? How do you become an SEO freelancer in 2022? If you want to become an SEO freelancer, you are in good company. This is a popular choice of your freelancer and in demand field any place. Become an SEO expert. It is good idea to learn everything you can about SEO. Source of SEO knowledge. SEO sector, search engine optimization. Create portfolio of your work. Link building, drop your work on your blog. Earn references and reviews. Create a website. Use social media. Obtain the right SEO tools of your toolkit. Use job boards. Search your SEO freelancing career today. Author spotlight. Step-by-step guide. Learn articles. SEO freelancer. Source SEO knowledge. Include the following clauses. Check out what is SEO freelancer and freelancing site in 2022. SEO job work, upwork.com, freelancer.com. How to become a freelancer. A guide to starting freelance. Hope you understand, like our video, subscribe our channel, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. We will meet on next video tomorrow, same time. Thanks for watching.